Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to force stop the Gmail app on your Android device. If Gmail is acting up or consuming too much battery, force stopping the app can help reset it and fix common issues. Let's dive right into the updated steps. First, open your phone's settings. You can find the Settings app by either swiping down on your home screen or looking for the gear icon in your apps drawer. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see an option that says App Size or Applications. The name might vary slightly depending on your device, but it should be something similar. Tap on that. Next, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find Gmail. When you find it, tap on it to open the app details. Now, you'll be on the Gmail app settings page. At the bottom right of the screen, you'll see an option that says Force Stop. Tap on that button. A confirmation pop-up may appear asking if you're sure you want to stop the app. Just confirm by tapping OK so or Force Stop again. And that's it. You've successfully forced the Gmail app to stop. This can help fix issues like slow performance, app crashes, or excessive battery usage caused by the app running in the background. Remember, force stopping the app won't delete your emails or any data from Gmail. It simply stops the app temporarily, and it will restart automatically when you open it again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.